Most people get age restrictions on X wrong. They panic and think their account is blocked forever, but fixing it is simpler than you think. Here's how to get it sorted. The first step is to verify your age. Age restrictions usually occur if your account shows you are under 30 or if X detects incorrect age information. Go to your profile settings, tap Account, then Personal Information, and check your birth date. Make sure it's accurate and meets the minimum requirement of 13 years old. If your account is still restricted, X may require ID verification. Prepare a government-issued ID or another official document to confirm your age. Upload it through the support form provided in the restriction notification. Most people get this wrong by emailing general support. They need to use the official form in the app or help center. Once submitted, X usually reviews the information within a few days. You'll receive an email when the restriction is lifted. If the restriction persists, check for other issues like country-specific laws or link taps that may interfere with age verification. In conclusion, fixing an age restriction on X is straightforward. Update your birth date and verify your identity if necessary. Patience and following the correct steps usually solve the issue. Subscribe for more X tips and troubleshooting guides to keep your account running smoothly.